What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode. Today's day 365. I lost track of count. Have no idea what day this is, but it's now Monday and I have until Saturday to get this done. We skipped a few days because I had a lot going on. We were waiting for some parts and I had other cars in between. So oil pan is sealed in place. Last episode you guys saw me putting the pistons in, rods, everything's torqued, oil pump in. So now we're gonna flip this baby and put the ARP studs, cut ring head gasket, slap the head gasket in here, clean the head because we haven't done that yet. Slap the cylinder head on, torque, time the engine, possibly put it on the subframe so we could start working on the transmission next and replacing the parts on the transmission, the clutches, put the upgraded ones from the other transmission that we have onto his transmission. And yeah, that's about it. That's all she wrote. So let's get to flipping this thing and putting the cylinder head on. Let's make some power. So as I was showing you guys earlier, these are the rings that goes around the cylinder walls and seals it. Alright guys, so today was a short day. End of day 4. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, got the cylinder head torqued. All the ARP bolts are torqued to spec. Cut ring head gasket is in. We spent a lot of time cleaning the surface of the head to torque it. So now I just gotta time the engine, and I didn't do that yet because we need the crankcase pressure ports block off, and we're getting those tonight. So once I get those, I'll time the engine, throw the valve cover in, throw the fuel injectors in, put that puppy in there, and we'll be good to go. But for now, this is the end of the day 4, and thank you all for watching. Catch you guys on day 5. Peace.